push.
Good.
Keep pushing.
Let go. Yeah, go.
There you go, Sean. Want to double check the measurement?
Okay.
Can you aid up a little bit of
Yeah.
material?
Yes.
You still good?
Yeah, hang on the outside. Right?
This is the waist side.
Yeah.
So,
I
okay.
think we're okay. Good, I'm drawing it.
Yeah,
Did you get
that's
all
fine.
four?
So,
I was
Yeah.
sorry. I made the. I was doing.
Oh,
I
I'm
was
sorry.
marking it so that I knew where the
Oh,
waist side was.
okay.
So it's okay though. Whatever
Okay.
works.
Okay.
Assembly.
So
Now, Christian, come here. Christian, come here.
Usually you grab it.
Hey, Christian. Do it again. You lined up?
Can you start staining?
Here.
Oh my
Hey.
goodness.
Are you going to do waist side?
Stain on it or just a clear finish? Stain.
Come on. Here.
Do you like
You
this
line it up?
color stain, or do you want to go
You lined
pick
it?
out your
You
own shade?
think that looks lined up. All right. So you think you're ready?
You lined up?
You do like that stain? Do you need to put one first?
A little more. Right. There.
Or you put those on before the stain?
That good?
Think that's good, Christian?
Is that
Well,
good?
it's a primer. It's something like a primer. That's
Okay.
what it's called.
So slide it back towards you.
Look good to you.
Sandy seal.
I'm looking at you.
Oh, okay. I see.
All right, if you're ready.
Okay.
Maybe get a couple
Turn on.
pieces.
Plug in.
Plug in, yeah. I'm plugging it first.
Okay.
Okay.
Power on.
Turn on.
Last year,
Okay. Okay. Hold right there. Okay.
Yep. You can
Right
get over here.
Okay. Ready?
Push
Push,
towards
push,
me.
push. Okay, let go. Okay, turn off.
Turn it off.
Okay. Ready?
Okay.
Turn off. Turn off. Go like it.